Hey guys, what's up? Novus Shake here. First of all, I wanted to say thank you for 200 subs. Really means a lot. Kopke and I opened a new clan named Novus. We are recruiting now. We need feeders, streakers, editors, and GFXers. So basically, what you need to do to join Feed Team, you have to be able to record 60 FPS, smooth and HD quality. Your clips have to be 5 main feeds or more. Well, it's good, but that's not enough. Upload your clips with no edit and send it to Novus Coli, the feeds leader. To join Trick Team, you have to be able to record 60 FPS smooth and HD quality. You have to be able to record plus 500 and not just the kill cam. Upload your clips and send it to Novus Chaz, the Tricks leader. To join Editors Team, you will need to edit an OCE with the clip in the description, a kill cam by Novus Snapek. Upload your edit and send it to Novus Enki, the Editors leader. To join GFX Team, you will need to make a speed art with Novus logo. The link will be in the description. Upload your speed art to YouTube and send it to Novus Azay, the GFX leader. So this is it. Deadline is July 1st. Good luck everybody. Peace.
Like a muscle man, you just wanna tie me up, snap me like a rubber band. It's 2012, so now they wanna ask me what's the plan. I tell them never trust a man unless he Russell Brands. Pass me all that absinthe, for now watch me change my accent. I got girls on the back on the mattress, you got girls on the map like that's it. They wanna know, am I Jay Sean or Raekwon? Good Sean or great Sean? Stay long or Krayshawn? Nah, either way they try to stay for your dreams. I tell them keep your eyes open, you won't like what you see. They be here for a minute, now they're gone in a week. You trying to dine to the peak, I'm trying to Andre the beat. Lord, can you tell me where my faith is? I graduated and I still ain't made the